Interested in a walk-in bathtub? Are you a homeowner with limited mobility? Keep yourself and loved ones safe at home with a walk-in tub. Call our professional partner Success team members to schedule an in-home consultation. We can answer all of your questions regarding how you can get a walk-in tub installed in your own home. Great for seniors, as well as diabetics and other medical issues causing limited mobility. We will help you every step of the way. Give us a call today. 1-866-631-1022.